feel me? Swinger. I've got a helicopter looking at us, girl.
I do. They're done. They're done. I didn't do anything.
You know what? Here's the problem I got. All three of you ain't got fucking dicks out there.
Goddamn, nigga, different type of shit everywhere. You got the big ass, with the, I don't know who the fuck them is. What the fuck? No! They got George in this bitch. Mine took us like 2 hours to get here. I done got pulled over twice, dude. Shit, we got here though. We finna go park real quick. Right now, the event ain't even starting for real. Right now, it's kind of like 4-ish. You feel me? 4:46, I believe. The event started at 5, so people still coming and shit. Progress in there. Where the hell they want to park at? Man, this meat better be good, man. I don't have parking right there, but that nigga breaks. God damn, George.
It's not a Hellcat.
Oh, it's not?
Oh, dude, I'm telling you, man. Be sick.
Whoa. I like you, man. You lie a lot.
It's long coolant though, so it's like, it's not even a Hellcat, really.
It's not even a Hellcat.
P. Diddy be wanting the body, and you gotta tell him no.
Man, it be chill-out days like this, you feel me? Look at the sunset. Look at the sunset, man. You feel me? It's a chill little Saturday. God damn, that be loud. That's a Mustang, ain't it? Lord. You feel me? This line pretty long. I don't know if I want to hop in my car just yet. I am for sure gonna spend. I done spent $50, man. I gotta spend, dude. Feel me? What I saying? Oh yeah, man, it's a beautiful ass Saturday. Like, this makes you appreciate shit. Like, look, everybody popping out. Look. God, I don't even know what this is right here, but it's goddamn loud. It's loud. Nah, feel me? Like, this right here fire. Don't get me wrong though, I like takeovers, but goddamn, sometimes you gotta chill, you feel me? Sometimes you gotta chill, lay back, vibe or something. It's a nice little Saturday out with the homeboys, with the fam, feel me? Just chilling. We got this damn Infinity for the slide. Look, we got the Infinity out there, man. Show me some. Show me some. Oh, what the fuck?
He's just standing there, menacingly!
But it just looked straight into my soul, cuz. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know what car this is. Comment down below, what car is this, cuz? Cause I wanna say an NXX, but 95% sure I'm incorrect, dude. That shit's good, damn it. Blue. Then sideways, you feel me? Okay. Come listen to this. Damn. Up, nigga trust the grass. He trusts the grass. They gonna kick him out? Or they let him rot? They let him rot. But they let him rot. Man. If you don't know, there's a rule on the flyer. Touch the grass, that's your ass. So that means they're gonna kick you out the pit. You gotta come back around and go again. Damn. God, that car sounds good. Hey, comment down below, what car is that, cuz? I don't know what this is. What car is this? Real, might have to get me one. Next up, we got a Mustang. You feel me? Mustang's always loud, cuz for no apparent reason. You coyote boys just, man, they just love making noise. I ain't gonna lie. They just love making noise. Me, personally, I don't really like the way that Mustangs look. I really don't. I I'm really a Chevy guy. Don't let the mopar fool you, man. I'm really a Chevy dude. I love Corvettes and Camaros. I do love mopars too. I do. But I'll be honest. I do like them a little bit better. I do like them a little bit better. God damn, that bit loud. That's what they always. I ain't gonna lie. Roll back and buddy face is crazy. Damn, my son got in my mouth. Ugh. Fucking coyote. Damn, that shit nasty. What we doing?
Good to go?
We good?
Oh, you?
Man, I can't really do too much. I ain't buy no new tires, man. I don't know what I'm talking about. I can't even do it how I want to do it, dude. I don't got no extra tires. I'm getting it though, yeah. Man, let me stop before I fuck up my tires even more. Let me stop. I'm tripping. Oh shit! I ain't gonna lie, that rap hard as hell. Oh, you got a cat going loose. I ain't gonna lie, this book is twice? I ain't gonna lie, that's that's gonna kick his ass out. Is this a fucking Tesla car? A Tesla car? Hey, quick question. How the fuck are you finna slide a Tesla? Huh? You gonna see? What the? You say you finna slide a Tesla, I gotta see this. I ain't never seen no Tesla slide before. I gotta see this. Wait a minute, yeah, she did. Why take one when you can take both at the same time? Pause. Oh damn, why the channel just start? Alright, there you go. Don't you fucking do it. There you go. Alright, now we in business. I was about to say, man, don't goddamn embarrass us like that. Okay. I think they both scat packs. You got black on black, hard as hell. White accents. Oh, that'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. God, that shit sounds so nice, cuz. And I been spit flames. Ooh-wee. This should be good, I ain't gonna lie. You been spitting all day. I wonder how much tires you got left. Do it, burn out. Trying to see how much tires, buddy. Oh, wait, all three? What the? I ain't gonna lie, buddy almost popped my eardrums. Car almost popped my entire eardrums out, bro. All three of them is crazy. And I think that Corvette goddamn pro-charged the sun shit. I hear a whistle. I know it ain't turbocharged. That bit ain't stupid. I hear a whistle. That bit probably pro-charged. All three of them is crazy as that, right? They almost smacked. They almost smacked. Cuz, what the hell made them go all three, cuz? Bro, fuck you talking about move back for, cuz. You got three niggas in the pit. Fuck you mean move back, nigga. Move so I can get these goddamn foot. Oh, I thought so too. Look at buddy. He on sparks. Oh, the Corvette out. Damn, why the Corvette left? Corvette said he done. Shit, Camaro still hit him. Camaro still. On sparks.
You're fired! You're fired! Under!
That boy had that.
Yeah,
Ready.
they already got one.
That one blew up. The CTS blew up. CTS blew up. That motherfucking CTS blew up. Oh no. Cuz, this nigga is leaking, cuz. He is leaking. Oh Lord. Man, I ain't even getting on footage. 4 back-to-back cars either blown up, got a leak or something. CTSV, 2 Hellcats, man, nigga blew an axle. Y'all fools be careful, man. Some crackers outside and they got helicopters. How the hell y'all gonna host fucking legal pit and then stalk the whole event, cuz? I'm telling you, I done seen 3 niggas leave car and got pulled over immediately. What the fuck? Some shit done went down. Damn, bro. Damn, bro.
This trespassing, please.
Yo, you don't gotta detain him if you trespass. It's buddy his key.
Hey, just chill. Just chill. Yo, back up. Everybody back up. Yo, Pete. Yo, motherfucker.
Sam. Man, he gone.
Were you in that car?
I was driving, right? When I slid there, he smacked my car. Like, he hit my car with the pole. And I was like,
well, you know what? Here's the problem I got. All 3 of you act like fucking dicks out there. So I want the car gone.
I was driving, though. I can't go. I put my plate on my car. I have my medical card. I lost my wallet. Back up. Back up, come on, back up. But like, you understand what I'm saying? I lost my wallet. Back up, 25 feet. Why you pushing 25 feet?
go. You want
I think it's funny. You'll be the third person.
YouTube, that's gonna wrap up the day, goddamn. Been a cool little day. Time it is. You feel me? The shit ends at 10:30, but I ain't gonna lie. I'm all spinned out. I'm done. Bill finna go home. Put some gas in this bitch. Go home. Edit this shit. I think I'm gonna drop this bill sometimes this week. But without further ado, hopefully y'all enjoy it. Fuck y'all.